Hi, it's Janet. I'm back. JanetMcHugh.arbonne.com, and today we're going over mascara and curling your lashes. Now, my lashes are straight. They're fairly long, but they're blonde. You can't even see that I have them right now. So I tend to put on mascara even if I'm at home. I do go without makeup a couple days a week when I'm home and just doing errands around my neighborhood. I go to the grocery store without makeup. I obviously go to the pool and that type of stuff around my complex without makeup. But today I feel like wearing makeup, so I've already cleansed, I've already firmed. I do those every day. I've already moisturized to do that every day. I put my BB cream on. I already showed you how I put my liner just at the edges for days where it's light makeup. So for today, you're going to need a lash curler and a really good mascara, like you can't read it. It says Arbonne. It's my Arbonne mascara that I absolutely love. You want it to be good and moist. If yours isn't moist, I already went over in my last video how to make it good and moist with some eye drops. So, I meant to tell you, if you don't wear contact lenses, you can probably still get an eye doctor to give you some. Just ask if they have some for sale, or you can buy some really inexpensively like at Walmart. So, here we go. For me, it takes 3 layers because my eyelashes are blonde. If your eyelashes are already dark, you might be able to do this with 2. But I will show you how it takes 3 layers for me to curl my eyelashes and make them look from this to what they can be. So I get rid of the excess on the edge. First, I do my first set. I tend to curl twice, simply because my lashes are so fine, just like my hair. If your lashes are a little bit thicker, you can probably get away with once. So there's my first layer of mascara. I close it up in between, otherwise it'll dry out. You take them and you get close. Do not pinch your skin. Once you've pinched your skin, you will learn. And you close them real tight and you hold it for about 10 seconds. This is the boring part, can't lie. Okay, so that's about 10 seconds. Gently lift. If they go every direction, that's why you put more mascara on. So we're started. Take your mascara again. I don't usually go down like this. I try to go up to encourage them to curl. So now I've got my second coat of mascara on. Close my mascara again, and I curl again for about 10 more seconds. Some people say, oh, you don't need to do it twice, but like I said, my lashes are so fine that I need to do it twice. That's just practice. You might find you only need it once. There's my second time. Take it off real gently. Go back again. So what you're doing here, applying your third layer of mascara, this is your opportunity if you got a stray lash or a clump with your mascara to fix it. If you need to, you can fix it with a pair of tweezers too. So there's the finished. I'm going to hit pause and I'm going to show you what it would be with 1 coat of mascara. Okay, so this eye has 3 coats and is curled. This eye has 1 coat and is not. So there's a difference. I'll be right back. Okay, so my top lashes are done and curled. You can see what a difference it makes. That's 3 coats. If you have dark lashes, 2 coats would probably be enough. I'm going to real quick do my bottom lashes, and that probably just takes 2 coats because obviously I'm not going to curl those, but I'll be right back and you can see what a difference mascara can make on your eyes. Okay, so here you can see why I like to curl my lashes. You saw what it was before, and I've used just my liner on the outer half. It opens my eyes up. It doesn't leave me with a really dark look with my complexion and my hair color. Even though I've got a lot of hair, it's so light that it just doesn't work for me unless I'm going out for an evening out. If I'm going for an evening out, it's a whole different story. Then I do the full liner, I do the shadows, I do the smoky eye look, everything, just full blown. But for today, I'll just add some light eyeshadow, and I'll show you how I do it to open my eyes up even a little more. The eyeliner on the outside does help open your eyes up with the way that I do my eyeshadow. I'll do that in the next video. So I hope to see you soon. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And products can be found at janetmchugh.arbonne.com. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.